Okay, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the divergence of a given vector field. So here we've got vector field F, and the divergence is very easy to find if you know how to find partial derivatives. So everything really depends on partial derivatives. So we've got e to the negative 5y minus 5xz, and we got 4xyz. Okay, so how do we find the divergence? So one thing that you need to remember is that divergence is not a vector. It is actually going to be a scalar quantity. But in this case, it's also going to depend on x, y, and z because we got variables here. But generally speaking, it's not a vector. Okay, so don't put any vector brackets or commas or ijk's, nothing like that. Okay, so what is the definition of divergence? We take the first component of the field and take the derivative of it with respect to x, plus the second component, so e to the negative 5y minus 5xz, and we take the derivative of that with respect to y. So it's like first with respect to x, second with respect to y, and you probably already guessed that the last one is with respect to z. Okay, so now let's take a look at it. The first one, it's a product. Notice how z does not depend on x, but because it's multiplied, we keep it. This is called a constant multiple, and we keep it. Because remember, when you take the partial derivative, you think of the other variables as numbers. So z we keep, and x to the 7 is 7x to the 6. So we're going to have 7x to the 6, and again, we keep z just like it was a number. All right, then plus, again, no ijk's. What about e to the ay? So this a business is the number in front of y. That is going to go to the front. So you're going to get negative 5, and it's going to be the same e to the negative 5y. All right, then minus. Okay, so here we are subtracting a term that doesn't have a y. Because it doesn't have a y, you can drop it. Derivative of it is going to be 0 because derivative of any number when you adding or subtracting it is going to be 0. Not when you're multiplying. When you're multiplying, you keep it. Okay, plus 4xyz. So here 4, x, and y are all numbers. So it's like one big number z, and derivative of that is just the number. So that's going to be 4xy. Okay, I don't think that there is any way to combine these terms or anything. They're all very different. It's just basically practice of taking partial derivatives. That's all there is to it. And let's submit and see.